Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin HRM-Dual. First, make sure your heart rate monitor is securely fastened to your chest, directly on your skin, just below your sternum. This ensures accurate readings. Next, power on your compatible Garmin device or open your preferred fitness app. Keep your HRM-Dual within 3 meters, or about 10 feet, of your device to facilitate a smooth pairing process. A fresh battery is also crucial for reliable performance. Now, let's initiate the pairing. On your Garmin watch or bike computer, navigate to the settings menu, usually found by holding down a button or swiping. Look for sensors and accessories or a similar option. If you're using a smartphone app, go to its device or sensor settings. From there, select Add Sensor or Pair New Device, and then choose Heart Rate or HRM to begin the search for your monitor. Once you've selected to add a heart rate sensor, your device will start scanning for nearby monitors. Your Garmin HRM-Dual should appear in the list of available devices, typically identified as HRM-Dual. Select this option to establish the connection. After a few moments, you should see your current heart rate displayed on your device, confirming a successful pairing. This usually takes less than 30 seconds. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your HRM-Dual isn't already connected to another device, as it can only maintain one active Bluetooth connection at a time. Also, try moving to an open area, away from other electronics that might cause interference. If all else fails, remove the small CR2032 coin cell battery from the back of the monitor, wait about 30 seconds, and then reinsert it to perform a soft reset. Then, try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.